so close. Both the levers are into movement, left to right and up and down. Now we are giving command. Hello Lloyd, miss me. So one beep sound will come and the deflection of swing vanes will be like so that the air will go away from us. Then again we are giving command. Hello Lloyd, follow me. Hello Lloyd, follow me. So the up and down lever also goes down and the position of vertical vane also come in such a way that air is coming on us. Beeps are coming after giving command, it means the ODV is not recognizing the voice.